We are a constitutional democracy where there is a rule of law. Recent events, the riots in the national capital, the killing of almost 50 people and injuries to more than 300, enormous loss of life and property because of deliberate inaction and in many cases complicity, has led to a very tense situation. The situation is far from normal. There's a prevailing environment of fear. Our citizens are living in fear. All citizens have been guaranteed certain rights and freedoms under our Constitution. Those fundamental rights have been under constant assault. There's denial of those rights. We have seen that for merely raising the protest, objecting to a government decision action or a wrong law or discriminatory legislation brought in by the government, for opposing it, citizens are accused of sedition. It is the right of every citizen to question, to protest and to oppose. But all over the country, sedition cases are being filed, which has never happened. Also, Honorable Supreme Court had talked about and given an order on Section 144 and how rampantly it was being misused. That situation continues. So the law on sedition, everything which is said against the government, challenging the government, becomes sedition. Second, before permission for protest is not given, before the protest or before a word is said, imposition of Section 144, and the citizens are in violation of law. Now, after the Supreme Court orders, there is a new trend which we are seeing in Delhi. The same administration, the same police, which allowed Delhi to burn for almost 4 days, finally was able to control it. And in the name of action, against whom the action is being taken? What is the definition of hate speech? If the speech is made by the BJP leaders were not hate speeches, and the protests and dharnas by the citizens are a threat to the society, as per the cases registered. And shockingly, as per a FIR, in the cases against a group of people and an organization which is called United Against Hate. What is the case and for what? For having said in a speech that we shall not get up or give up our protest even if we have to die for that. For that, Section 307 of the Indian Penal Code. That's attempt to murder. And people being held without bail. We urge the Supreme Court to take cognizance of all these cases. Let the Supreme Court appoint amicus curiae. Let them scrutinize all such cases which are being registered. People are being framed and put in jails. Supreme Court is the custodian of the Constitution. The delays don't help. The entire world is watching this country. It's time that the Supreme Court intervenes effectively to protect the rights of the citizens guaranteed by Indian Constitution. That is what we have to say, because we feel strongly and we are gravely concerned about it.